Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Charlie, the headmistress nearly slapped me when I was caught before them. She insulted me so much.
Why the hell would she do that? Why? Aren't you human?
I don't even know. She said I should have done better being an SU member.
SU man indeed. Hey, Charlie, listen. I hear say the chickens you talk for there.
Leave them. Their conscience will judge them.
Charlie, listen. When you talk on a matter for there, you go to told them.
Charlie, hold on.
Hold on for what? If you don't do them water, they go continue to do we so now. Me I go to told.
Okay, suit yourself.
Yes, what can I do for you?
Please, we came to have a one-on-one talk with you.
Okay, I'm waiting. Lady is snapping.
Please, we have some cases in the case file, and we have another case too with the disciplinary committee. And sir, if they find our previous cases, we will be sacked, sir.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Sir, we want you to help us take out those cases.
What?
Please, sir, we dey beg you. We know say you be paddy man. Please, maybe we give you small token, then you dey give me. We dey beg.
Okay, so how much are you guys offering?
Sir, 40 Ghana cedis.
40 what? Do you think I'm a small kid or what? No. If you don't pay 100 Ghana cedis, that's it. This is the risk I'm taking.
Hey, wait for there.
What is it? I mean, what do you guys want?
Oh, Phil! If you guys say what you guys do or we don't see you, we shut away, we know they mind you.
And who says we are scared of you?
Hey, my buddy, you never forgive, oh? You let me the kung fu. Huh? Make it that somebody else go fool, not be me.
What you guys are doing to us is not fair. First it was Alagoso and his friends.
You not see nothing yet. What the hustlers take do you there? It be small thing.
Oh, please, leave me. You're hurting me.
See your face. I figure so, baby man. I will continue to hurt you. Until you stop the chook week for the school inside. You hear me so? Make you from now to go. Watch your steps. Because the next time you step on our toes, you will see.
What would you do?
So you don't know, I will suck every bit blood of you all.
Let's go. These people can really hurt.
Siapo, you did that to do your body. Keep my goddamn foot. Come on for them. Nobody say make a dog them. See, make everybody know in rage. When I range, no be them a level. SU. You, I tell you.
Sir, please, let's make it 60 Ghana cedis. Sir, that's all we have. Sir, have mercy on us, please. Sir, please.
Okay, because you guys are students, I'm giving you the benefit of the doubt.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Sir, how will we know you've taken out those cases, sir?
See, you don't even trust me. You meet me here tomorrow same time and I'll give you those files.
Okay, sir. Please, sir, don't mind this friend of mine. He's always careful of people.
Okay, alright.
Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy, and now we a real blow. Tell me, laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Okay. Last time we learned about nouns. And we said nouns is the name of a person, animal, place, or thing. And Bernie, could you please give us one example of a noun as we learned?
Say Kumasi.
Kumasi, she's right. Give it up for her. Ebenezer, one example of a noun.
Book.
Book. You're right. Give it up for him. Young man, one example of a noun.
Zero.
What class? Zero is the name of a number. And he's right. Give it up for him. Okay. Pay attention today. Because we're learning about a new thing today. And we're learning about verbs today. Repeat after me, say verbs. 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 Tracy, kindly give me the definition of a verb. Will you stand up?
A verb is a new subject.
A verb is a new subject. Show me, you sit down. Nathaniel, can you define a verb for me?
Sir, a verb is a doing word or an action word.
All right. A verb is a doing word or an action word. Clap for him. Okay. Sandy. Sandra, can you give me one example of a verb? One example of a verb. Shame when you sit down. Bless. Can you give me one example of a verb?
The one. I love the one.
One. Sir, let's correct this. The name is Bless Alabozo.
The one.
One.
The one.
Okay.
God bless you.
Bless Alabozo one. One example of a verb.
Sir, God bless you. One example of a verb. Sir, go.
Yes, the
one.
Michael, can you give me one example of a verb?
That's all.
One example of a verb.
Say come.
What?
Say come.
Young man, you're right. Give it up. Crazy G. Yeah. One example of a verb.
Sir, I'm sorry.
You're not serious. Richard, what's your problem?
Say Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan is a noun, but not a verb.
Say, but Jackie Chan is an action man. Say I'm confused.
Okay, Richard, sit down. Let me explain it to you. Jackie Chan is the name of the person, and what he does, that action stuff of him makes it
A verb.
Ah, okay. So, sir, do you mean he's Bishia here?
Richard, Bishia is the same as acting and it expresses a verb.
Okay, so it's...
Hey,
Shut up, young man.
Sir, okay. I'll kill you.
You will kill me. Kill is a verb. You're right. Give it up for him.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Charlie, the girls want to meet up.
For what?
To have a meeting about the whole situation. What else?
Come on, man. I was just asking. There's no need being rude about it.
Come on, you two. It's not a time to fight.
Guys, they said it's important so that we don't put any of us in trouble with whatever we say. I mean, at the DC.
Yeah, man. That's true.
Guys, slow.
But you guys, what do you want? What do you want?
Why you come up for there? Because he G. I tell you, you guys invited them here or something.
Yeah, Charlie, I have to. You know, it's important we inform them as well.
For what?
Charlie, you... Hey guys, what's up?
Charlie, we're still thinking about how to get ourselves out of this fix, guys.
Charlie, you guys know the chop today.
But you this thing be disease or waiting? Huh? With the top proper matter here, you bring chow for inside. Why do you like food so?
We had the just had.
Oh, come out for that.
Hey, guys, it's okay. It's important we do this faster and even faster before someone hears us. Okay? So, what's up?
Okay, guys, make we do this. I think I say the Eagle guys go there here. Where them dey?
Hi, guys. Finally, the celebrities turn out.
Hey.
But where is Snoop? I thought we said everybody.
You know him, man. He said he's not coming.
What? He's not coming.
Oh.
Oh, you guys, what up? You messed up this thing in the first place and I'm being babies about it.
First of all, soccer. Nobody messed up yours. Bloody anything.
Secondly, you are rather being a baby for everything.
What's wrong with you? Chill out. Chill up. We came here to solve something. We didn't come here to fight. So sit down, let's do this and do it faster. Sit down. What? Sit. Sit down, man. Come on, guys.
Why you guys, you fool so? Why you not go show the fool make we solve this thing? Yeah. Show the fool.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys. The girls want to meet. They said it's important. They want to negotiate. The girls want to negotiate with us so that we don't put ourselves in trouble with whatever we say there. Is that okay with everybody?
Okay, then listen. We will be going there in 30 minutes time. So guys, come over, let's compromise and get going.
Yeah, we have to. I know what.
It's okay. You just wait for them. It's okay. Don't land.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Let me take you back. 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 Let me take you back to the laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Now we a school rat, and now we a good boy. Now we call SU, and now we a clap girl. Now we a fresh boy, and now we a fresh girl. Now we a big spy, and now we a real blow. Tell me, laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.
Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Laugh in the school.
My life in the school. Sometimes Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Duncan, what were you and your friends doing at the club that day?
Madam, I wasn't at the club that day.
Where were you then?
Madam, I was in school.
You are lying. Terry, speak the truth. You were in the club that night.
I said I wasn't.
What if I say you were? And I brought some witnesses.
Say, I don't care what you do. You can call any witnesses you want. I said I wasn't at the club that day.
Let me take you back to my school days. I be the kind of nigga I'm in Ethiopia case. Don't give a damn to me for now me share me lays. Now send me sick class and nigga Jehovah grace.
Okay. We will see about that. We shall see.
Leave him for now, madam. If he was, we will certainly get him.
We will.
You may go.
Let me take you way back. I be the kind of nigga no go fee by breast F, no cash. I guess the more just to pass clear. Filling my paper used to be my biggest fear, no rest. Sometimes I feel like I'm alone. My phone carbon, Gary Sokins, na my ya oh Lord. I'm like, give me your phone, let me call my mom. Let me try to send me best fear, oh no. Life in the school. Life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school. Life in the school. My life in the school. Sometimes I think about my life in the school.
Bless. What were you doing with those brochures?
What? Sir, I didn't know me. Me? I don't know anything about it.
Certainly not you. Okay. If you have nothing to do with it, how can you were caught passing through the bush by Mr. Sari?
Sir, I just went to buy food from town. I was really hungry.
You know what? I don't care whether you were hungry or not. I will only apply the rules in the school. And even more. You may go. We'll continue the case tomorrow.
Thank you.
Life in the school. Life in the school.
Charlie, right now the school authorities then tell us what they go do. So we for face them plus vim.
Yeah. That day, no yawa team for them.
Charlie? Media, I just think of how them go lash me for the assembly there. Charlie, no busy. Me, my mommy had a fear. I be the talk say we go call when our parents come.
She go talk plenty.
That be what me I know they like. Oh, as for the lashes there, I go take her like cocoa cry.
Huh?
That one there, I go first say, I no go cry. No, crying go be our.
Hey, dear no. So washing so. When you learn how they clean lashes,
Ask him.
you know they cry every day, and we they talk better thing to her. They hear mommy. Big boy like you dey fear your mommy. That's all.
You know what I mean? If David catch this queen inside there, the way she go shake me, mommy, She be wild woman pass.
I be me to my old boy wild. But then I just give up. I just give up.
Charlie, they are not going to take the lashes away. I'm not going fit. Why you dey laugh?
See.
No, why you dey laugh?
If you make your one for there, I be the woman will laugh you.
Wait, woman.
Be you know your matter.
That's all.
Laugh in the school.
Laugh in the school.